ka, anong na-excite ka for the iPhone 7? What makes you excited for iPhone 17?
Well, I've always had like an iPhone for as long as I can remember. I've tried other phones as well, but parang lagi lang akong bumabalik sa iPhone. And every time that it introduces a new one, the latest model, they always have exciting connections.
Correct,
so,
correct.
I'm so excited to know what that's going to be. I really purposefully did not look at the new features para ma-excite ako at pag nag-unbox ako for myself.
That's good. Siyempre, speaking of excitement, Miss Rica, na-excite na kami dahil magbabalik movie ka na. Tell us something, kumusta na ang filming nyo ng Manila's Finest?
Well, I'm down to my last day. My last day is going to be in November.
Okay.
But, yeah, I'm enjoying it. I think it is just the perfect amount of like work to reintroduce me back into the system for myself.
Nilabas na yung teaser recently. Ang daming natuwa kasi nakita na kayo yung glimpse ng mga characters ninyo. Your thoughts on that?
Well, ako, I was one of those na when I saw the trailer, talagang parang ako in awe. Because I am very, very excited to see the whole film to be put together because our director is like super good with cinematography.
Correct, correct.
So, like, he's top caliber talaga. So, for me, yun yung inaabangan ko. Sabi ko nga, habang nag-shooting kami, lahat naman po Jaryo lang yung nasa screen. Pero maganda pa rin.
Correct, correct.
Ganun sa kagaling. I can't wait to see everything.
Nahirapan ka ba?
Hindi ako nahirapan. Well, one because I really accepted this film because it wasn't going to be so demanding. It's just right. Parang sabi ko, ayoko naman pumasok na parang wow, sobrang mega acting na ako. Kasi I need to move back into the old thing, right? So when I saw the script, it wasn't that demanding. That's one of the things that I appreciate. So hindi ako masyado nahirapan. Even though, parang, ano ba yung tawag ko? Parang medyo may konting awkwardness lang in the first day. And then, after a few days, nag-warm up na ako. And yeah, like, I've never left.
Start na ba to? Other offer siya ba? Teleserye, gano'n?
Actually, I've had offers already. And parang, it all boils down kasi to my, kumbaga, the things that will bring up figures. So, meron akong listahan na gano'n. And wala na ako sa space na parang, magdating mo lang para lang may project ka. Parang, tapos na yun, kabataan ko.
Correct, correct.
So, ngayon, gusto ko, tatanggapin ko. Kasi, gusto ko maging proud sa gagawin. So, ano pa, yung mga
MJ. Tapos nanay ka ni Ashton. Ay, iba. Okay. No spoiler. Hanggang doon lang. Hanggang doon lang. Oo. Yeah, okay. Thank you.